Welcome to LoveCAD. Here is the easy to follow tutorials on SolidWorks. Today in this video, we will make 3D design of barbed wire. This wire is used in fencing. So we will do this in three parts. The first will be the twisted wire, the second will be the barb, and in last we will do the assembly. So let's start with the twisted wire. Start from the front plane, select front plane, sketch, select circle, create one circle, smart dimension, assign the dimension as 304.8 mm. Go to features. In curve, select helix. Here select height and revolution. Assign the height as 127 mm. Check reverse direction. In revolution, add 8. The angle will be of 90°. Leave the rest option as it is. Okay. Now go to right plane, sketch, normal. Select convert entities. Select the helix, convert it. Again right click, check for construction. Next select circle. Draw a circle in this side of the curve. Press Ctrl, select these 2 points and add relation horizontal. Select smart dimension, assign the dimension as 3.18 mm. Exit the sketch. Select sweep boss. Select circle as a profile and helix as a path. Next in option, in profile twist, select specify twist value. And in twist control, select revolution and add the value 50. This will twist the sweep. This will twist the wire on that helix. Click OK. See, hide this. Again go to right plane, sketch, normal. Select convert entities, convert it. Again select, check for construction. Now again select circle and draw a circle in another side of this helix. Add a relation, horizontal. Smart dimension, assign the dimension as 3.18 mm. Okay. Go to features, exit the plane, select sweep, select circle as a profile and curve as a path. Now next in option, select specify twist value and in twist control, select revolution and add 50 again. This will again twist the wire. Click OK. Go to sweep 1 and click on show. Hide this helix. Now our twisted wire is completed. So go to save as, save this as twisted wire. Now the next part is the barb. For this, select a new part, select right plane, go to sketch, select circle, create a circle of 9.53 mm. Go to features, select curve, select helix. In this, select height and pitch. Input the height as 11.1125 mm. Pitch is of 6.35. Reverse the direction. Angle is of 135 degrees. Click OK. Now go to front plane, sketch, normal. Select convert entities. Click on the sketch and convert it. Now again right click on this sketch and select construction geometry. Select line, create a line through this point, make this tangent and assign the dimension from midpoint to this point as 12.7 mm. Now exit the plane, select top plane, sketch, normal. Now select convert entities, select the curve and convert it. Now again select this and check for construction geometry. Now again select convert entities, select this line, convert it. Check for construction geometry. Now select center line, draw a center line. Check for vertical. Select smart dimension, assign the dimension as 12.7 mm. Now select spline, connect these 2 points and make it tangent. Exit the plane. Now I am going to create 3D sketch on 2 surfaces. For this, go to surface command, select extrude surface, select the first line, select mid plane, add dimension 38.10. Okay. Now again go to extrude surface, select this curve, so we have to generate line from this end. For this, select midplane, add dimension 25.40. Okay, so we have created 2 surfaces on which we have to create the line. For this, go to sketch, 3D sketch, select intersection curve. Here select both the faces and click OK. So our curve is generated. Now go to surface body and hide it. Exit the plane. Now select 3D curve 1 and hide it. Next, select front plane, go to sketch and repeat the step. So select convert entities, select the curve, convert it. Again select the curve, check for construction geometry, and now draw a line from this point and make this tangent. Go to smart dimension and add the dimension as 12.7 mm between these 2 points. Exit the plane. Now select top plane, sketch, normal, select convert entities, select the curve, convert it. Again select the curve and check construction geometry. Next select convert entities, convert this line to, check for construction geometry. Now select center line, draw a center line, check for vertical, assign the dimension as 12.7 mm. Now select spline, add spline between these 2 points. Make it tangent, exit the plane. Now same, go to surface, command, select extrude surface, select this line, make it blind and the dimension will be of 25.4 mm. Select OK. Now again go to surface, extrude, select this curve, select mid plane and the dimension will be same 25.4 mm. OK. Now go to sketch, select 3D sketch. Now select intersection curve and select these 2 faces. OK. Now hide the surface body, exit the plane, right click and select show in 3D sketch 1. Now we have to join all this curve. For this, go to composite curve, select all 3 curve. OK. Now go to features, select sweep, select circular profile and assign the dia as 3.175 mm. Select the path as spline. OK. Now next is add dome. You can search here for dome, enter. Select this face and add the dimension as 1.5875 mm. Now for the another end, select dome again, select the surface and click OK. To get the barb shape, we have to add bodies. So for this, I'm going to mirror from front plane. So for this, select front plane, select features, mirror, In bodies to mirror, select the body and uncheck the merge solid. Click OK. So this is the second one. Now again we have to mirror to fill these voids. For this, now select top plane, go to mirror, select the body and press OK. Now I am going to remove one body. So that is mirror 1. Okay. Right click on this, select delete and keep body. Click on OK. Now finally we have created the barb. Refresh it and save the body as barb. Click on save. Now exit. Now let's do the barbed wire assembly. For this, open new, select assembly, OK, close this menu and in show option, select center point. Go to insert component, select the twisted wire, place it at center point. Now in assembly tree, under the twisted wire, select helix and press on show. To enable the curve, select curve in show menu. Now next insert the barb. So go to insert component, select barb, open, place it anywhere here in the canvas. Right click, select open part. Here first show the helix. Select front plane, sketch, normal. Select convert entities and convert the helix. Again select and check for construction geometry. Select line, create a horizontal line from center point. Check for horizontal. Now press Ctrl and select these 2 points and add the relation vertical. OK. Select point, assign the point at the center. Make this line construction geometry. Exit the plane. Hide the helix. Now close it. Yes. Again yes. Now in show option, select the sketch. Click on mate. Select the point on the barb and the starting point of the helix. OK. Click OK. Now click on view menu. Select these 3 options to disable and adjust the barb tangent to the twisted wire. Now it looks fine. Now fix the barb. Select the barb and click on fix. Next, go to Show menu, select the curve and the sketch. In assembly, select curve driven pattern. Here in direction 1, select the helix, this curve. Check for equal spacing. In reference point, select point and add this point, which is the bar point. Okay. Now in alignment method, select tangent to the curve and select this wire. In component to be pattern, select the bar. When we select align to the seed, when we select align to the seed, all the bar is placed in this direction, just like the first bar. So what we have to do is make this bar tangent to the wire. For this, select tangent to the curve. It will take some time. Okay, now see, all the barb is tangent to the twisted wire. Now check OK. Now hide this curve and sketch. Now select the assembly part and add the material. I'm going to add appearance so it is clear to see. So this is how our barbed wire looks like. Now go to the comment section and comment the new steps you learned in this tutorial. And I hope you all will like this video. If you have any queries, go ahead to the comment section and also share and subscribe us for more projects. Press bell icon for updates. Thank you. This is Mrityunjay signing off.